Hey, I've got a really cool old school body man trick for you today. Adding fiberglass resin to body filler. Hey, but first I'd like to thank all our subscribers, supporters, and followers. All right, let's go. Now this is going to help eliminate pinholes and increase the workability and spreadability of the body filler. And to do that, we're going to add a little bit of fiberglass resin to the body filler. Now, resin's already an ingredient in the filler, so it's not going to have any negative effects. But you don't want to put too much, otherwise it's going to cause the filler to become runny. And I've stuck a couple of paint sticks in 2 cans. Both do not have resin in right now. We're adding a slight amount. And we're going to mix that in thoroughly and show you the results. It is so much easier to spread the filler after it's been mixed onto a panel with a little bit of resin added. I mean, you can see how thick that is. That's going to take a lot of work spreading it out on a panel. There you go. Now, if you're on a vertical surface, you don't want too much added resin. So let's put a little bit out on the table here. Yeah, that's going to spread really nicely. A lot less effort. And it's going to be more uniform. And there's the difference. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And as always, hey, thank you for watching and supporting our channel.